Do you ever finish a cold call and think, I actually did everything right, so why didn't they book? Here's the brutal truth. If you're not telling stories that trigger emotion, you're just another forgettable voice in their call log. Guys, my name is Neil. I'm your Sales Misfit coach. I have over 10 years as an SDR and AE with 5+ years as a sales leader and trainer. And I help SDRs smash quota and get promoted to AE as fast as possible. Now, a lot of you are asking if I have a course. I do not, but I have, however, reopened slots for one-to-one coaching. And I've only got a few spots left. It is first come, first serve, guys. So if you're interested in working with me now, click on the calendar link below and book a free 10-minute consult with me to see if I can actually help you. The link is below, guys. Now, I used to suck at this. Back when I was grinding as an SDR trying to book meetings, I treated discovery like a form. What tools are you using now? What's the main pain point? Cool. Now, let me dump product features on you. Prospects were polite, but cold. I'd get to the end of the call and they'd say, interesting, let me speak to my team, or send me an email. Translation, you're not getting a reply. And here's why. Facts tell, but stories sell. When you explain too much and don't connect emotionally, you force your buyer to think instead of feel. And the second they start thinking too much, they dip, they ghost, they forget your name. So stop pitching features and start pitching humans. I started using this framework I call 3P story selling on my cold calls and emails. It's super simple. Number 1, person. Start with a real person, not a logo. Number 2, problem. Hit their pain like a punch in the gut. Number 3, payoff. Show the win they got because of you. Now, let me show you how this works on a call. Prospect says, who's using you guys? Instead of listing logos like some PowerPoint robot, I say, let me tell you about Sam. He's an SDR at a B2B SaaS company just like yours. He was making $120 a day and barely booking 2 meetings a week. He sounded scripted, prospects tuned him out. We rewired his cold openers, rebuilt his objection handling, and now, last week he booked 11 meetings. His manager literally said, whatever you're doing, don't stop. Silence. Then the prospect leans in. But wait, what did you change? Bingo. Now we're talking, because now I'm not selling features, I'm selling a transformation. And that makes me stand out. Now, the first time I told a story like that, the VP on the other end went, shit, that's literally my SDR team. That's when it clicked. Stories drop their guard. Stories stick. Stories sell you, even when you're not speaking. From then on, I built a story bank I could drop on cold calls, in emails, in LinkedIn DMs, anywhere. If you're an SDR and you want to stand out, do these 3 things this week. Step 1, build your story bank. Write down 3 to 5 real success stories. Could be a customer, a teammate, or yourself. Use the person, problem, payoff format. Step 2, match each story to a stage. Use a story in cold calls when they brush you off. Drop one in your follow-up email. Use one when they say, just send me info, wherever. Step 3, rehearse it like a cold open. Practice your tone, timing, and pauses. Don't read it. Tell it like you're hyping your favorite movie. Remember, you're not just selling software, you're selling belief. Make your prospects believe the same outcome is possible for them. Guys, you now have one of the most powerful weapons in sales, storytelling. But there's one thing that kills even the best story: zero urgency. If your prospect isn't feeling the burn to move fast, you still lose the deal. So in the next video, I'm breaking down how to create urgency in SaaS discovery calls, 3 simple steps. Click that video now and let's keep building your sales engine.